takeover.
I told you to dig up those emails.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. My name is BeDistinct. Welcome to the new users, and if you don't know, I have a bet with my subscribers. Once we reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of 2021, I will go ahead and do a free giveaway on my tail lights. I don't care if I'm tail light less, if that's a word or anything. I don't care if I have to give them away and I don't have a second pair of tail lights. I will keep my word and give them away. But all you gotta do is subscribe, make that moment happen, and I will go ahead and do a free giveaway. You don't even have to pay anything, bro. I'll pay shipping for you. Today's shout out will go to Marina YDG, who said congrats on passing, get some rest, 30k is coming. 30k is indeed coming, and thank you, Marina, for your support. I really do appreciate it, and I do need some rest. Oh my god, I've never been this tired in my whole entire life, man. 2 hours of sleep, oh my god. But anyways, thank you for the support, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. With that being said, welcome back to another episode. As you can see, we have the G looking immaculate right now. I mean, check it out. It is looking beautiful. With that being said, let me show you what's going on. So I'm going to be participating in my first car show, my first big car show event. There's going to be amazing builds out there. I'm talking about built Evos, exotics, hypercars like Paganis. Like, it's going to be absolutely insane, and I'm going to be showcasing the G35 in that car show. That being said, though, we do have to wake up at 4:30 a.m. because the event is 2 hours away. My car club is hosting it, and so we have to be there super early to prep for the event. So we have to be there at 7 a.m. It's 2 hours away. We got to meet up with the crew. 4:30 a.m. is the meetup time. Holy crap, I'm gonna be busted because I still have to edit the videos. It is currently now 12 a.m. I'm prepping the G. I have no sleep. I have no sleep right now because I had to wake up early for the state ref. I'm a zombie right now. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning, like at 3:30 a.m. or 4 a.m. Absolutely busted, so bear with me, and I'll see you guys then. 3, 2, 1. It is way too damn early for this. I woke up 30 minutes before, so it's like 3:30, but right now it's 4:13. I don't wish this upon my worst enemy. Still nighttime, bro. Bro, we really at the gas station, bro, at 4 in the morning. Absolutely nobody in the streets but us. $4.60. It's getting better. It's getting better, y'all. We showed up to the first location where we're gonna mob out to the event. G is looking nice, but there's a decent amount of cars here. S2000, 370Z Nismo, BRZs, WRX. My gosh. Sheesh, my boy brought more gas. You really don't make a trip to the bay? No. In a full tank of E85? Fuck. 80 bucks?
To fill these up, they're 2.5 gallons for 10 gallons and full tank of which is 18 gallons.
All for 80 bucks?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's $2.99.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much heading to the event right now, dude. We literally got like at least like 12, 15 cars. And it's freaking sick because every single car is like modified and like pimped out and stuff. And it just freaking, you get like Fast and the Furious vibes. Like, this is better than the Fast and the Furious, the new movie, bro. Like 10 times better. It's just pretty sick, bro. Seeing everybody mob out together. Like, look at this, bro. Like, show them right here, dude. Like, takeover. Sheesh. Sheesh. Hella cars. I should go all the way back there. Damn. Look, that's the guy that said F it right in the right there. Hey, how was the drive? How was the drive?
It was alright. I'm tired.
Dude, I'm tired too, man. Holy shit. shit.
I woke up at 3, man.
You woke up at 3?
Plus, I didn't get off work until 11 o'clock last night.
Oh,
Plus, I had to wash my car, so
damn.
it was bad.
Same here, bro. That shit.
Hey, we gotta pay to get in here?
You got what, Coke?
We got what?
We just arrived to the meet location. Everybody's getting organized. These are not the positions yet, but they're organizing that side first, and then we're gonna get this side here real quick. But check it out, we got walkie-talkies. Yeah, hold up, we got a fire-ass car, aisle 3. We got absolutely no service here, bro. Classic JDM cars there.
Yeah, just different color.
Freaking bad. Damn, what the hell? G35 represent. Gotta support all our G35 members.
Are you part of a group, bro, or? Okay.
Ooh,
Hey,
clean.
John, can you guide the Bugatti? John.
Damn, bro. Holy shit.
Sir, what do you do for a living, bro?
Bro, I got one of these in GTA, bro. I swear. Tags paid off, bro. 2022, the man is ready. Sheesh. Shiza, look at the detail. Oh my god. Literally, these wheels cost more than my whole car, bro. It's crazy. What the hell, man? Red, check this out. Man, for reals. Come on, step up your game. Man, he's got the roof, the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the side skirt. What doesn't he have carbon? I seen this.
I bet you his head doesn't come off. And the diffuser though.
Shit, that,
I like the side mirrors.
nice car, man.
We're trying to get the art next to the Pagani.
Hey, boss.
What do we got here? We got an oil cooler, we got a trans cooler, we got an intake, we got all sorts of shit going on here, bro. This shit is wet. I know, I do need a trans cooler.
Oh my gosh, that is,
Woo.
oh
We
man.
got an anime. What character is that? That wing is fucking massive. How is that shit? Hey, that wing shits on you, Robert. How many are there? Woo! Yes, sir. That shit clean. Hey, this color pops. Hey, this color. This one is.
There's 3 R34s.
Oh, he got them honeycomb splitters. Hell yeah.
It has the R34s on that thing.
Damn. That's legit. GTR license plate.
Hey, this is the 8.
1320, baby. Woo! Woo! Tokyo Drift right here. Sheesh! Tokyo Drift.
You got one more, right?
Oh, look at the mirrors he has. That's sick. I know, dude. I didn't mean to copy your rap, bro. No, you're good, bro. This shit's great. Oh, this you, boy. Hey, you freaking wrapped it up last minute. Damn. Look at those Nismo wheels, though. They're looking clean. Can you call him over? Jordan. Look up from the Fast and the Furious movie. Absolutely insane. Woo. The wing could be questionable, but from the back right here, dude, it looks mean as hell. Woo. Simple and clean. He drove from Florida, my guys.
I told you to dig up those emails and you got a point of contact so that we can follow up on our end so this doesn't happen again. Yeah, you don't have service here, no. Okay. I would, if we keep it like we discussed, we're good. Otherwise, we're just going to shut it down and everybody go home. So let's get this stuff the way it's supposed to be so you guys can have a good.
The amount of work and detail in this car. Nice. Holy shit. Can you guys tell I'm busted, bro? I've been running on 2 hours of sleep for the past 2 days. I am absolutely tired. I'm so done right now. But after that car meet, as you guys can see, we wander off. We had a party that we had to go to for one of my friends that was in the Bay Area. But the car show ended around 2 and we had around 3 hours to spare. I was so damn tired. I couldn't drive, dude. I was falling asleep while driving. So we just stopped at a local parking garage that we luckily found in Richmond. And it was free parking in the shade and everything. And we took like an hour and a half nap, dude. I was so tired, bro. Took an hour and a half. I feel like shit, dude. I freaking took a nap, got a Jamba Juice because that just made me feel alive. And then we went to the party, had some awesome food, and after that I felt so much better. But holy crap, I was so tired. I was done. The heat was killing me, but thank God Richmond has that cool breeze. It was 68 degrees. It was so beautiful. So it was an awesome time. But besides that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for all the support. Let's get to 30,000 subscribers to give away those GTR style taillights, and I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for supporting. We're state legal again, and we're about to make it illegal in about a week and a half. So I'm excited because I've been wanting to boost my car the whole time, and it's finally come. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. Be distinct, be safe, love you guys. See you guys next video. Peace.